Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through the steps to create an Uber Eats driver account in Australia. Whether you're driving a car or riding a bicycle. So it's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, what I need you to do is I need you to open up your web browser and go to the Uber Eats driver sign up page, okay? Or just, download the Uber driver app from the App Store or Google Play. Then, guys, what I would need to do is I need you to create an account, okay? So, once you're there, guys, click or tap on sign up, and then just enter your email address, your phone number, and of course, you want to create a password. Then I need you to basically select your city and the type of delivery vehicle you'll be using, either a car or a bicycle. So for car deliveries, you'll need to upload things like your driver's license, your vehicle insurance, and vehicle registration documents. And for bicycle deliveries, guys, you only need to upload a valid ID card or a passport, okay? And then next, guys, of course, you will need to complete the background check process, okay? This step may take a few days, so you want to just keep an eye on your email for updates. And after your background check is approved, guys, you basically want to watch the required onboarding videos to understand Uber Eats policies and delivery guidelines. And finally, guys, of course, you want to set up your payment information by linking your bank account to receive your earnings, okay? And once everything is verified, guys, you're all set to start delivering with Uber Eats in Australia. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. And I'll see you in the next one.